In this video segment, you will learn how to schedule payments for Paycove invoices. I'll be using HubSpot, but you can schedule payments with Pipedrive integration as well. To set up your account now, click the link below. Scheduling payments in Paycove allows you to split the total invoice amount into separate payments for a customer to pay at a chosen time. This can be useful for when accepting down payments or following payment plans for larger purchases. In this video, you will learn how to schedule payments on an invoice, how to edit scheduled payments, how to schedule payments on a template, and how to send reminders for invoices. Let's get started. First, make a deal within your CRM and create an invoice. Through HubSpot, we can use the Paycove extension to create the invoice. Then, within Paycove, we can see our invoice total is €300. Near the top of the invoice, you can find the option to schedule payments. Here you can choose the number of payments, the frequency, and a start date. The start date can either be now or in the future. You can also choose if you want recurring payments to auto bill or not, and if you would like customers to be able to pay their own invoices online. Remember, if you select auto bill, the customer will still need to make their first payment manually. Here, you can see all of the future payments listed on the invoice. Selecting Edit Payments will lead you back to the payment scheduler to make any changes to payments. You will still be able to edit the payment schedule after individual payments have been made, but not once the overall invoice has been marked paid. Calculate at the top of the window, you can see the sum of scheduled payments. The combined total of the scheduled payments must equal the deal's total, or you will not be able to save your changes. You can add or delete as many payments as you want, as long as the sum of the scheduled payments equals the invoice total. When your customer views the web version of their invoice, they will see a Pay option by each payment along with the payment's due date. If you have multiple customers following the same payment schedule, you can schedule payments in your template editor. Choose a start date relative to an attribute of the deal. You can give your payments a brief description that will appear on your customer's invoice. And add payments as percentages of the deal's total. Email reminders are a helpful way to remind your customers of upcoming payments. Within an individual invoice, you can send an email reminder to the deal's contact by using the button at the top of the invoice. Within your email settings, you can set a reminder to send to the contact a specific number of days after the invoice is sent. However, this will apply to all of your invoices for your customers. If your customers follow different payment plans, you may need to remind them manually. Paycove is looking to streamline this process even more with updates in the future. For more help utilizing Paycove's features, click on the screen now to check out more articles and videos. Thank you for watching.